10 тысяч.
The 10,000.
10 тысяч.
The 10,030th meeting of the Security Council is called to order. The provisional agenda for this meeting is the situation concerning Western Sahara. The agenda is adopted. The Security Council will now begin its consideration of item 2 of the agenda. I wish to draw the attention of Council members to document S 2025-612, the report of the Secretary-General on the situation concerning Western Sahara. Members of the Council have before them document S 2025-692, the text of a draft resolution submitted by the United States of America. The Council is ready to proceed to the vote on the draft resolution before it. I shall put the draft resolution to the vote now. Will those in favor of the draft resolution contained in document S 2025-692 please raise their hand?
Против.
Those against? Abstentions?
За резолюцию.
We have 11 votes in favor, 0 votes against, and 3 abstentions. 1 member of the Council did not participate in the voting. The draft resolution has been adopted as Resolution 2797 of 2025. I now give the floor